Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 25th of May. Bank of Canada may strike a dovish tone. Today, investors' gaze is likely to remain fixed on the Bank of Canada policy meeting. The bank is expected to stand pat in the aftermath of the extraordinary fiscal stimulus measures introduced by the government in March. The fiscal boost, combined with the recovery in oil prices and a resilient core inflation rate, would normally lead us to conclude that the Bank of Canada is likely to remain on hold in the foreseeable future. However, the raging wildfires in Alberta force us to reconsider that view. The lost oil output from this setback amounts to roughly 1/4 of total Canadian production, something that could raise concerns about GDP growth in the second quarter. Oil prices continued their search on speculation of this output reduction. However, as this rise in prices is not due to economically healthy reasons, the loonie continued sliding despite the strong correlation that usually prevails between the currency and oil. On a longer-term perspective, officials may see this incident as temporary, the kind of which do not usually trigger immediate rate cuts. So we expect officials to strike a cautious tone in their statement and suggest that if there are second-round effects from this, policy responses may be warranted. On top of the lost oil production, a dovish shift in language could keep the loonie under selling pressure. As for today's indicators, we only get Germany's IFO survey for May. The current conditions index is expected to have remained unchanged, while the expectations index is forecast to have risen. We believe that investors are more likely to focus on the expectations figure, where we see increased downside risks. This follows from the ZEW survey for the same month, which showed a decline in the expectations figure, weighed on by concerns over a possible Brexit. We believe that German businesses may share some similar worries, something that could cause the index to rise by less than expected, if at all. As a result, we could see the euro extending its recent losses at this release. We have three speakers on today's agenda: ECB Vice President Vitor Constancio, Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker, and Minneapolis Fed President Neel Kashkari. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.